Hello and welcome to this new video on how to edit videos for TikTok. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. And let's get started. So one of the most popular application in order to edit the TikTok videos are CapCut. You can just go to your Play Store or App Store of your mobile devices. And when it is opened, you just have to click on the search bar that is on the top and you just have to type CapCut and search enter. And when you have searched it, the CapCut result will be shown. You just have to open the CapCut and press in the install button and the CapCut will be installed and you will be able to record videos and edit the videos in this. And another way you can edit videos is inside TikTok itself. So firstly, you need to open the TikTok application for yourself. And when the TikTok application is completely opened, in the bottom taskbar there is a plus sign. Just click on the plus sign. And when you have clicked on the plus sign, this interface is shown to you. You can just record a certain video by pressing on the record button. And when you have recorded the video, in the right hand side there is an edit option. You can just click on the edit option and you will be able to edit the videos. So this is how you can edit videos for TikTok. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.